Welcome to Soul Society. In this video I will talk about how to treat constipation with psyllium. The main action of psyllium is laxative. After consumption, it absorbs large amounts and swells in the intestine, to then increase the fecal bowl and facilitate the evacuation of stool. The plant is therefore recommended in cases of constipation and against digestive pain. Psyllium is also recognized for its hypoglycemic and cholesterol-lowering effect. In 1991, preliminary clinical trials indicated that it could lower blood glucose levels in people with type 2 diabetes. Finally, a preliminary trial published in 1991 indicated that taking psyllium could improve the condition of patients whose ulcerative colitis was in remission. Psyllium was used by Egyptian doctors more than 10 centuries as a laxative and to treat urinary inflammations. In the 16th century, it was used as an enema against stomach aches. In India, China, and Morocco, the plant has traditionally been used to treat diarrhea, hemorrhoids and high blood pressure. Psyllium is found today in sandy Mediterranean regions. Psyllium is used as a mild laxative in the treatment of constipation. For that you need psyllium seeds. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of psyllium seeds in half a glass of water. Leave to rest for a few minutes, then consume. Consume it once or twice a day. After absorption of the seeds, drink at least a second glass of water. Psyllium is not recommended in cases of intestinal obstruction, or abdominal pain, fecal impaction, or certain conditions of the intestine or colon. Having laxative effects, psyllium should not be taken for a long time. Must be accompanied by a diet rich in fiber, a sufficient amount of water, and regular physical activity. Always ask medical advice. Subscribe to Soul Society for more remedies about constipation, and check out the description below to get more information. Thanks for watching.